Hey guys, okay, so last video I promise, and it's gonna be super short. The last video cut me off, and I don't really know where it stopped recording. So I just want to review, okay, that a function is special because when you pop in a specific number, that number can only make a certain number. It can't be popping out all these different numbers, okay? So you are checking when you're determining if something is a function, you are checking. When I pop this number out, does it produce one number? Or do I see that when I plug this number in over here, it produces another number? When you plug in a number into the machine, it can only make one specific number. It can't pop out all these different numbers. Okay, and so when we looked at these points right here, we saw that first when you plugged in the 2, the machine popped out a -4. So that means if this is a function, every single time you pop in 2, it's going to produce a -4. But then I look over here, I popped in a 2. It should produce a -4. But did it? No. It made a +4. And so this is a clue that this is not a function, okay? This is a relation. It's a group of points, but it's not a function. It's not special, okay? And so all I wanted to do was a little practice with you guys. This is what you'll see on your assignment for today. So here we go. Wait 1 second. Okay, guys, here we go. Sorry about that. So let's do a little bit of practice, okay? So we're checking when we plug a number into our function machine that it only produces one number. If it's producing all these different numbers, it's not a function, okay? So let's look at this first one. So I'm checking my x value. I'm plugging in a 3. And when I plug in a 3 into the machine, a 5 pops out. Okay, cool. I'm cool with that. I don't care what number is produced as long as it's the same number being produced, okay? So I plug in the 3, I pop out a 5. Now let's check. Let's see if we plug in 3 anywhere else. Do you see a 3 anywhere else? Yes, you do. It's right there. Okay, so I plug in a 3 into the machine again. It should pop out a 5. But does it? No, it doesn't. So that means this 3 this time produced a 3. That means this is not a function, okay? It's a relation, it's a set of points, but it's not special. It's not a function, okay? So I'm going to put not a function. Okay, so I'm going to let you look over these and practice with these, okay? Pause the video, and I want you to write this down in your notebook and then write function or not function, okay? Just these 3 problems right here. And I want to look at this one real quick before I end the video, okay? Okay, so this was our map problem. And actually, I want to look at 10. Yeah, we're looking at 10. Okay, 9 you can do by yourself. So 6, 7, 8, and 9. Go ahead and write those in your notebook, okay? Just for practice. But let's look at 10. So again, we are checking. When you plug a number in, it pops out just one specific number, okay? I want us to look at look at this -1 right here. Look at this -1, okay? -1, you see the arrows coming off of -1 right there? You see there's an arrow. Let me do it in a different color. You see there's this arrow, and then there's this one. That means that -1 is producing 2 different numbers. You plug in -1 the first time, it pops out a 0. You plug -1 in later, it pops out a 7. That is not a function. Remember, function machines do one thing, right? So when you plug in one number, it only makes its special number. It doesn't pop out all kind of numbers. Okay, so this -1 makes this whole thing not a function. It messes up everything because it produces 2 different numbers. Okay, so I'm going to put right there, not a function. Okay, cool, guys. I know it's a lot of info today. You're just going to try your best. You're going to do these practice problems in your notebook and then click on the link on Miss Enoch's e-class page for your independent activity today. Okay, and we'll talk tomorrow. Hope you guys have a great day and keep up the good work. See ya.